Hello and good day. It is March 19th, currently something like minus 5 degrees Celsius outside, which is 22 Fahrenheit. It's supposed to warm up to plus 5, so that's about 40 Fahrenheit. Not bad, not bad. Finally getting the nicer weather. Slowly. Well, I've been on the bus here for a couple of hours now, doing some miscellaneous work. Oh, thought I heard a bird. Nope, hearing things. So, I finished off this part of the bus. Those 2 or 3 little strips. Now I hear a squirrel. So I finished off those 2 or 3 little strips. Did a little bit more floor framing here. If it wasn't for all the wood, I'd explain. But in essence, over here behind that closet, now in that closet behind that wall, is the hot water tank. To get the hot water from the tank to where the kitchen sink is going to be, I had 2 options. I would either take the hot water line all the way up, around and down, or I take the hot water line this way, all the way around. The sink would have been full by the time the hot water got there. So instead, I built out this floor a little bit more, so the hot water line will come out through the wall, right around here. It will come out through the wall, under that floor, and up. This way it'll only travel about 15 feet instead of 40. Sorry, voice crack there. So that's the purpose behind making that floor a little bit higher and taking it out that much farther. But today, we're going to work on this side of the bus. Why does it seem like you're not zoomed in all the way? There we go. Let's get you there. That's better. So we're going to put the wood on this side of the bus. I was concerned at first because I thought I was going to be taking the water lines that way, but since I made this flooring over here, the water lines will go that way. So I could do the wall. Yay! And as you can tell, with this stack of lumber here, I have my pieces all ready to go. Sorry, a little burpy here, just had lunch. So let's get you in place, see how you look. If this strap lets go of my arm. How does that look? I can't see. Wrong side. Yeah, you can see everything just fine. Alright. Go turn on some music. the camera click off, so you probably missed a little bit. I'm not sure what, but okay, give me a few minutes to cut up these pieces and these pieces, and I'll be right back with you. It's going to take too much time to do it on camera, so give me a few minutes. I have all the pieces cut, so let's finish this. Well, that looks like that's it for the walls for now, until I get this mess cleaned up a little bit more. Looking pretty good. Pretty damn snazzy. It feels really good getting this done. I mean really, really good. Next up is, you know, I might actually trim around the windows right now. Since I have this back area cleaned up, well, clean-ish, I could trim around the windows, sand it down, then move everything back here, then do the same to the front area. Then I can clean this out. Oh. Alright, hang tight, let me decide. See you soon. I decided to take the jigsaw and trim around one of the windows and take various sanders and take... I decided to take my jigsaw and trim around one of the windows. Then I took various sanders and sanded around the window to see what it looked like. Here's the end result. So carefully I took a jigsaw around the edge of it, cutting right at the wood level. Then I attacked it with this drill attachment sander so I could get this plywood level with my curve, because these were slightly different elevations or sizes. Here, you might be able to see that little divot. Yeah, that's the difference it had. Then I used this orbital sander, and I also used the mouse sander. Each window, well, I'm not going to say each window, but this window took about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do. That's why I didn't film it. I wanted to see how long it would take first. So unfortunately, you won't see me getting all super dusty because on this side alone, I have 4 windows to do. That could be up to an 8-hour project. That'd be a very boring video. Then again, all of these videos could be boring to you. I don't know. You could find them interesting. I don't know. But anyway, oh, way too dark. Way too dark. That's better. So I'm going to call it quits for today. Well, for the video anyway. And I'm going to continue on doing the windows. Catch you next time. Have a good one.